Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to deactivate temporarily or delete permanently Snapchat account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on settings to the upper right hand corner. Scroll down and tap on I need help and search here delete my account and tap on how do I delete my Snapchat account. Scroll down and tap on accounts portal and now enter here your Snapchat account username and your account password. And remember one thing, your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you'd like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log in into your Snapchat account. So after putting here your Snapchat account username and password, tap on continue and your account will be deleted. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.